Hi there, I'm Claire Cook from Holding the Space for You, and I am putting this video out just ahead of the Your Positivity Challenge that starts tomorrow. So I want to say a big thank you for signing up, and a big well done you for prioritising yourself and how you are feeling right now. As you may or may not know, I'm a newly qualified NLP practitioner. I qualified on the 13th, Friday the 13th of March, just before life got really interesting and our various countries went into various states of lockdown. And I feel very privileged that I finished my course just before this happened, and that I've gone into this strange time as emotionally resilient as I could be at this point in time. And that is why I set up this challenge. I've never run a challenge before, so we are learning together, but I felt that it was really important to share as many of these tools with you as possible at this time. Clearly, I'm working from home. I have my family here, so if you hear some strange noises in the background, you know what they are. A little bit about me: I have 3 children. I have one daughter with special needs. Up until a few weeks ago, I worked in marketing. I'm currently not working in marketing, as I was supporting the event industry, so not a lot of events happening at the moment, but that is absolutely all well and good for us. I'm needed here with my family, and yeah, we're all going through strange times at the moment. So it's wonderful to have you here and to have your support and to have you stepping up for yourselves. I wanted to prepare this video before the challenge starts to talk about 2 things. One is that I'm well aware that we are all coming to this group from very different places, with very different life experiences thus far, and with very different realities at the moment. I hope this video finds you and all of your loved ones in good health. I really do. And for anyone that has been directly affected by coronavirus, for anyone that has sadly lost people to coronavirus, I just want to send you my deepest condolences and all my love. And if you are still able to check in with this group and this challenge in such challenging times, then that is wonderful, and I hope that I can support you to rebuild some emotional resilience. I also want to take this opportunity to talk about resistance, which is something that I experienced heaps of personally when I first came across the tools and techniques that I'm going to share with you this week. So really what we're saying throughout the course of this week is that we all have power within us to effect really positive change in how we respond to things and how we feel. But by saying that we have power means that we really have to step up and take a good look at how we currently do things and how we currently respond. And for me, that made me feel prickly. It made me feel like I wasn't good enough the way I was. And it's not about that, okay? It's about the journey you've had so far, the experiences you've had that have created patterns of behaviour. Understandably, the patterns of behaviour that you have are very easy to understand when you look at the journey that you've had to get here, okay? And this is about being brave and stopping and saying, well, which of these behaviours actually help me and serve me? And if they're not, if they're causing anxiety, if they're keeping your mood low, then it's about being brave and going, well, okay, let's pause and have a look at those and see what we could do instead. So all week we will be looking or building our awareness of how we currently operate. And I will be introducing some techniques. Some of these you may already be familiar with, and we will be layering these techniques over the week to give you options and to give you food for thought. And for some people this might be just about sowing the seed, okay? It took quite a long time before I started to let these ideas in. I really did help hold them back. So you might just have the seed sown this week, and that is fine, okay? And for others you might be ready to embrace it. But either way, please check in, use the group and support each other. And I look forward to seeing you all in the group from tomorrow and creating a lovely positive community. Thanks guys, stay safe, enjoy the sunshine, and I'll I'll see you tomorrow.